to make a roast dinner. I'm going to show you how to make a roast dinner. Let's go. First, we wash the chicken, then put some seasoning and make it tasty. Then, after you season your chicken, you put it on a baking tray because now we're going to put it in the oven to cook. Then you peel the potato and you cut it into pieces. Then you wash the potatoes. After you wash your potatoes, you will need to cook them. So let's put it in the pot with some boiling water. In the UK, a roast dinner is a traditional dish that you usually have on Sundays. But if you're like me, you can have a roast dinner any day of the week. If you want, you can add more things to your roast dinner, such as gravy, Yorkshire pudding, and stuffing. The last thing that you need to do is cook your vegetables. You can use any vegetables you like. You can cook them any way you like. You can use a pot, but we're using a steamer, so it doesn't get too soggy and loses its nutrients. I think dinner's ready. Let's see what we got. Chicken, vegetables, potatoes, Yorkshire pudding. Last but not least, gravy. Well guys, I'm ready to eat my lovely roast dinner now. Does it look great? Does it look yummy? I can't wait. Well, see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Now it's eating time. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Level up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy.